Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server debate tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll just see job category overview in SQL Server Agent. So, what is the SQL Server job category? SQL Server job category provides built-in job category that you can assign jobs to, or you can create a job category and assign jobs to it. Jobs category help you to organize your jobs to fast filtering and grouping. For example, you can organize all your jobs, database backup jobs in the database maintenance category. So there is some jobs category, important job category are there. So when you are not just selecting any of the job category, so it will be the uncategorized. So this is the first option, and second is the second options. Other options are there. So database engine tuning advisor maintenance is there, as we already given the example of this. So you can organize all the database backup, database maintenance category, so it will come to the database maintenance category. So backing of the data, so it will see, with the job category. And log shipping, if your log shipping is doing the log shipping from the SQL server, so you are creating the job for that, so you just category that one is the for the log shipping. You can select that. And replication, all the replication job, there is multiple types of replication jobs are subcategory is there. So when you are selecting the replication, or you are creating the job and you are selecting the job category replication, so it will go to the replication category. Full text, you are selecting the full text, and so you can select the category of the full text. And data collector, if you are collecting the data collector using, so that is a job category is the data collector. So we'll go through that and we'll just check with the job category. So go to the your SQL Server Management Studio, just open the job, whatever the job is running. So I created, before I created the one, the test job, so right click on the test job and go to the property. So this is my property, and here you can see the name of the job and owner. And this is the main thing we are going to discuss about the job category. So when you are not selecting any category, so first category is the uncategorized local. So this will for the uncategorized, and there is a data collector, so you can select the data collector for that. And database engine training advisor is there. So as per your requirement, you can select the data engine training advisor. And database maintenance task, whenever you're doing the backupping the data, database maintenance task we are doing, so that time we can select the database maintenance task. And full text and jobs for MSX and log shipping is there. And this RPL means replication is there, replication alert response, checkup, distribution cleanup. So if you want to clean up the distribution history cleanup, so whatever the replication is going on history, we can clean the log reader, merge, and queue reader snapshot. For the replication type, snapshot is there. So for the snapshot replication, we can select this. And subscription clips cleanup, whatever the subscription is in there, so we can clean up job, we can run as per your requirement. We can select the job category. So if, whenever we are creating the job, new job, so just click in new job, so you will get the uncategorized. So as per your requirement, you can select your category. So in this video, we'll learn what is the job category overview in SQL Server Agent. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.